Hello, welcome to Profit Channels. This is the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. All right, so today we're going to look at the S&P 500, and this is it since the 1920s to now, and this is the channel. I'm on a log scale, and I like this channel because when I connect these dots with these two, now there's only two here, and usually you want three, but I have three up here. But the thing that really seals the deal for me is this midpoint line. It should be relevant, and it seems to be through there, and there, and right there. So if you look, this is the 1929 crash, and the last time we touched the top of the channel, this was the dot-com bust, and then this was the housing crisis. So we spent 12 years before we went into positive territory. So we are now up here again. So you would expect to see some kind of a correction here sometime soon. So now I'm looking at the distance from the 200 period moving average. So you can see this line right here. Now if I copy that, put it here, it matches 1929.com. And I put it right here, and we're just a little shy. So this would indicate that we could break this channel a little bit more to the upside before the correction happens. Now here I'm including the volume profile fixed range with point of control. So if you don't know what volume profile is, over this time period, it's showing you the volume at price levels. And you can see right here where the volume is the highest, this is the point of control. You can see kind of going right through here. So this is from the 80s onward. And so we have this major point of control, but that would be a disaster if we got back there. You can say, that'd be like 2/3. Back it up. Well, go forward. Okay, so I zoomed in a little bit more. Major point of control, not likely to get there. This one here, through here, that's about a 2/3 drop. Sorry, this is a real terrible drop. This one here is a little more than half this point of control. And then we have this kind of area right here, maybe down here too, but it's a third. And then finally, we got this new point of control up here. And we are still headed up. If I do a Fib extension from the bottom of the COVID crash to the top here, and then back to this bottom in 2022, one full Fib extension would be 7,665-ish right here. So that's a little out of the channel, which is what we saw right here. We're going to go potentially a little over the channel. And so now look at the parabolic SAR, which are these red and blue arrows saying buy and sell. The super trend is the colors green and red, and their buys and sells. RSI down here, squeeze momentum, and MACD. So a parabolic SAR and super trend are still both bullish. The RSI, on monthly scale, I put this line in here where it is trending downward. So that would indicate that the top is near. This is just ever so slightly trending downward. But everything's still strong right now. And we've got our first, we're going negative and then going positive here on the MACD with the histogram and breaking up. So everything looks good to keep going for a little bit. This is the weekly, same charts. So we're still both in buys with the parabolic SAR and the super trend. RSI is trending up, squeeze momentum is trending up, and MACD is trending up. And so this purple is the monthly trend, and inside our channel, and inside this channel, there's this green channel, shorter term channel on the weekly. And I like this channel because we touch 3 times, extend it up to the top. In my midpoint lines, so I think I'm going to zoom in here. Zooming in, my midpoint lines are holding up real nicely. However, so this is the original channel, and then the steeper one here, I think, is the new channel that's forming. So get rid of the old one. And you have all these nice touches. Pull the channel down to the bottom, and our midpoint looks real nice. So I like this channel. So this also, 7665 would be right up in his area. So this is a potential goal that we could get to. So far, I think that's possible, but who knows what's going to happen. Thanks for watching. This is my first video. I'll be putting some more out. But if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And thank you. Bye.